Are you frustrated with common WordPress errors? Don't worry. In this video, we'll reveal solutions to 50 common WordPress issues. This guide is your toolkit to keep your website running smoothly. WordPress is a powerful platform, but errors can make managing your website challenging. From the 404 error to the white screen of death, each problem has a solution. Let's tackle these issues step by step. First, let's discuss the internal server error. This generic error can disrupt your site. To fix this, check for misconfigured plugins or themes. Also, investigate your htaccess file, as it may need adjustments. Next, encounter the dreaded syntax error? This typically happens due to coding mistakes. Connect to your site using an FTP client. Locate the indicated line of code and correct any typos or issues. Moving on, the error establishing a database connection can be alarming. Verify your database credentials in the wp-config.php file. It's crucial that these details match your hosting provider's information. If you're facing issues, repair any corrupted database tables. Now, let's address the notorious white screen of death. Often caused by plugin conflicts, deactivate plugins, then reactivate them one at a time. If the white screen returns, you've found the issue. Additionally, switching to a default theme can help identify compatibility problems. Let's also touch on common image upload errors. These may stem from server issues or incorrect permissions. Check your file and folder settings and ensure they follow standard configurations. Are you now locked out of your WordPress admin area? When this happens, try resetting your password via your hosting provider. You may also want to check for any security restrictions placed by your host. Among common errors, we have the 403 forbidden error and the 504 gateway timeout error. These often require contacting your hosting provider to rectify server-related problems. In summary, by understanding these common WordPress errors, you can easily take steps to resolve them. Knowing how to troubleshoot prevents unnecessary downtime. With this guide, you're empowered to handle difficulties head-on. Remember, troubleshooting is a skill. Keep learning and stay proactive. Now that you're equipped with these solutions, start optimizing your WordPress experience. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more digital tips. Your seamless online presence awaits.